Okay, here we have a question on estimated mean. So when we have a table of values and it's asking us for an estimate of the mean, we need to do the midpoint, and then you do the midpoint times by the frequency. I suppose I could put the midpoint in here. Now, if you don't know what's halfway between these numbers, we would add them together and divide by 2. But hopefully we can see what these ones are. So I'm going to put my midpoint in here, and then I'm going to times it by the frequency over here. Now you might be saying, why do we do this? Well, this is because, let me just make sure I can see that's a 7. This is because we don't know what the values are somewhere between 10 and 15. So we say, let's just estimate that they're in the middle. So we're saying we've got 2 values that are in the midpoint. So then this is the sum of these 2 values. So when we add up all of these, this is then giving us the sum of all of the values, because if you think mean is equal to the sum of the values divided by the number of values, so the sum of the values is 1,230. We could add up the frequencies here, but actually it tells us at the top it's out of 50. So then this gives us 24.6 is our mean temperature. The second part of this question says, this person is saying that the median temperature is this because it's the middle number, but because there are 50 values, so you'd put there are 50 values, so you'd have 2 middle numbers, so you'd have 2 values in the middle. So it could be that they're 22 and 23, for example. So it could be, for example, 22 and 23. So no, she's not necessarily, so no, she's not correct.